Inovatools TV. Steel. Inovatools. First choice, your pole position.
Welcome to the second part of our First Choice program. The first part has certainly left a lasting impression. This time, we want to show you our First Choice program for machining steel. We always work to your advantage. Longer tool life is nowadays achievable, thanks to modern geometries and technologies. In order to decrease your tooling and machine costs, we have chosen the best products from our large and inclusive range, distinguished with a special recommendation. First, we would like to take a look at the challenges of machining steel. In the metalworking world, steel covers a very broad range of application possibilities, with a wide variety of properties. Simple free-cutting steel, high-alloyed and heat-treated steel, brittle cast material, and even hardened steel. You should be able to machine all of these materials with only one tool. During the machining process, the cutting edges and high-performance coatings are stressed very differently. For this reason, machining steel of different properties requires high-performance tooling with top-of-the-line qualities. The key to the high-performance and cost-effective machining lies in the right combination of material, tool, and the most ideal application conditions. Our top products are miles ahead of their competition and provide you with the desired added value of speed, strength, and longevity. For high performance in HPC area, roughing and finishing, we recommend to you our first choice product FightMax 231 for a cutting depth of 1x D, or FightMax 233 2x D, or the alternative 234 3x D. Our high-end milling cutters make all the leading competitors look out of date with respect to their tool life, feed rate, and flexibility. We have set a new standard through special microgeometry, well-defined cutting-edge rounding, tight production tolerances, and high surface quality. Another special feature of our FightMax products is the end face of the milling cutter. It's specifically optimized for a 45-degree plunge into the material. Ultimately, our Varicon coating ensures long tool life and thermal resistance. For roughing processes with reduced removal rate and low cutting forces, our product 347 is perfectly optimized. Special features are the specifically machined radius flute and the special designed roughing profile. For machining the complex contours, especially deep profiles, our product 591, which is suitable for trochoidal applications, stands out from the masses. Our test center achieved top results with applications like solid cam, iMachining, and open mind HyperMax. Due to the reduced cutting forces of trochoidal milling, we are able to set smaller diameters with larger cutting lengths, which allows us not only to save time but above all, to cut your costs. As you can see in the application video, various simplified machining applications are displayed in comparison. Let's take a look at such a milling process from industry. The high-performance cutting HPC with product 233 has the highest spindle load but also provides the highest chip removal rate in comparison with roughing processing with product 347 with reduced cutting loads and small chips, which can be seen in the video. The trochoidal milling with product 591 generates the lowest spindle load. Compared to the HPC milling example before, we use a 4 mm smaller tool here, in which the working length corresponds to the cutting edge length. To summarize, we can say, depending on your requirements, with the right milling strategy, we can save both costs and time. For finishing, we suggest our multi-flute mill StarMax Super Finish, product 736. Our Article 845, SpeedMax, the universal heavy-duty twist drill, proves itself in stainless steel with high feed rates and its self-centering ability. With the first choice program of cutting mills and drills, you will always stay at the pole position. The best position to win. Increase process reliability and performance, reduce cut wear and machining time. Thank you and goodbye.